What's up, it's Premium Patty here. Today we're going to be unboxing my pickup from Spring Summer 19 of Supreme. Now, I previously got into Supreme around Spring Summer 18, so it's been about a full year. And so yeah, I'm a Spring Summer 18 kid for y'all. But I only got one item this week. I was going to get two, but the other item was the Formula crew neck, and that's a pretty exclusive item, so that was pretty hard to get, so I couldn't get it. I tried, but I did get the other item, which is the creeper tee in the black, which I'm gonna open now. I got right here. I'm gonna show you what I get from it. And I'm sure everyone's talking about the tax they just added to Supreme, which really sucks, because out here as a teenager putting his own money into this stuff, it's hard enough to get money to get into Supreme, but this is making it even harder. So I got this open now. We're gonna get into it. Like every thing, it always comes in a Supreme bag, you know. I really hope in this pack it gets the Letta and the Swan sticker. I was really wanting that, but we'll see. Here's the t-shirt. You got the creeper tee. You know, it's a fire tee. Honestly, I like it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. It's probably gonna be for resale. Actually, it is gonna be for resale because I got it in a medium. I don't wear medium, I wear large, so it is gonna be for sale on my Instagram page, Indiana_Supreme. That'll be in the description below. So yeah, that's a pretty fire tee. I'm not gonna take it out of the plastic. I don't like to do that, but I really like just showing off what I get. And it's pretty fire. I really wish that right here on the grills they put the Supreme fronts grills on it. That'd just make it so much better. With the sticker pack we got, it looks like the Christopher Walken King of New York back there, the kids, and the common BOGO. I'll open that up for you. Show you each individual one. Of course, you got the normal BOGO sticker, but you also have the Christopher Walken sticker. I really like this tee. I'm not too into Christopher Walken in general. I know who he is, but I've never seen the movie just because I'm not that much of a fan of him. Like, he's cool, but just nothing I would be into. But I think the graphic and the text is dope. And also the kids tee, I didn't pick this up, but I did like the design. I just didn't think it would have resale, and I mean, I was kind of wrong. I really like how the kid in the green riding the I Heart Supreme is wearing a Supreme shirt. It just kind of shows like Supreme versus every other person in the world. It's like normal versus abnormal. And then finally in the bag, we have the shower cap. I'll take this out for you, show you. I have another package coming in Monday of just the leopard boxers. So here's the cap, pretty big, can fit most heads I assume, and this is honestly fire. Like, I didn't know what the material would feel like, and now that I do, I can get behind this. You know, looking like a goofy boy out here. Looking like a goofy boy. I like this. I might use it. I don't know. I never have to keep my hair dry, so I don't know. But you know, I do think this is fire. I think it's a great accessory. Does not outdo the bouncy balls, which I got 5 of last year, because last season's week 1, I cooked it up. It was great. Loved it. But yeah, that's about all I got for week 1. I tried getting the Formula crew neck, but I just couldn't. But now I'm going to show you some of the stock I have that I am selling over at Indiana Supreme. So it's Indiana_Supreme 15 on Instagram. Start off, we got the a grail, really, a bling box logo. It's the BOGO from 2013, I believe. It's the teal colorway, size large. You know, We selling this over there. Hooked it up, got some trades for it. Pretty great deal. Luden's cough drops, you know. How to pick them up, throw them in a cart. Then we got the Santa ornament, which I really like, and I don't necessarily know if I want to sell it yet, but it might be up for sale over there soon. It kind of bricked, it really did, but I like it. It's a fire piece in my mind, so I might be keeping this. And then I got the Nike football gloves, the red ones, the Vapor Jet in medium, and there's a lot of kids that play football at my school, so I was thinking about selling to them, but I don't know. Just trying to make like a couple bucks off those. Those kind of brick too, but once it gets close to the football season, they'll probably go up in value. But yeah, that's about all I copped and all my stock as of now. You know, don't have too much in. Sold a lot over the break, but now that the season started, I'm gonna get to copping, and I'll make more videos like this. So if there's anything you like here, go to Indiana_Supreme on Instagram. Follow it, check it out. More stuff in the future. Anything I get will always be on there, of course. And that's about it. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, get me up there. This is my first video on the channel. It should be a fun time. You know, I'm gonna try and do a lot more, but living in Indiana, small town, 20,000, can't do much, but I'm gonna keep doing.